Are you tired of looking at the same old Gmail inbox every day? Well, today I'm going to show you how to completely refresh your Gmail by changing its theme, and it only takes a few simple steps. First, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. A menu will appear, but don't get overwhelmed. We're just focusing on one thing for now. Scroll down until you see the option labeled theme. This is where the magic happens. Click on View All to open Gmail's full library of themes. Think of it like a wardrobe for your inbox, from solid colors to scenic backgrounds. There's a theme for every style and mood. Take your time browsing through the options and pick the one that really speaks to you. When you found it, just click on your chosen theme. But don't stop there. To make sure your inbox keeps looking amazing, hit the Save button at the bottom of the theme preview. And just like that, your Gmail inbox is transformed. Whether you're managing work emails or chatting with friends, having a theme you love makes opening Gmail a little more enjoyable every day. Feel free to experiment with different themes whenever you want a fresh look. Thanks for watching and happy theming.